Okay, Lois Threlkeld here, Ladies of Justice League, MillCross Coffee in Culver City. And let's see, I gotta check this out. Let me get you the name here, name and hours. Okay, so here's the name. Kind of hard to say. MillCross. Oh, there it is. MillCross Coffee. MillCross Coffee. And right down here by Tilden. Got to do a taste test so I can give a report. What a gorgeous day in the middle of January, Southern California. Gotta love it. No wonder people move here. Okay. That's good. That's good. And you know what? This is only a medium roast. It's their batch coffee. B-A-T-C-H. Oh. Yeah, what you got, Amy? Cappuccino?
Yeah, but look how pretty.
Oh. I love it. I love it.
I'll take a picture.
Okay. Yeah. MillCross Coffee.
Picture.
Lois Threlkeld. Amy. Amy.
Hi.
Amy's busy. She's got to deal with this. They're fancy. All right. Put a comment. Like this video. Share it. And talk to you soon. Lois Threlkeld. Amy Yoshimitsu. LadiesOfJusticeLeague.com. She's going in for sugar.